I've heard people say that Stanley tools are not the best. I've been using Stanley tools for years. I've had no problem with them. I fixed my classic car with Stanley tools. And Stanley tools, are a great quality of tools. Stop hating on them, people. Of course, they're not snap-on tools, but any type of tool that you use, as long as you keep them clean, rust-free, well-oiled, they'll last you 100 years. Personally, I think Stanley tools are just the best tools you can get. Of course, they're not snap-on, but snap-on's just a name. You're buying brand name. Who cares about brand name? Buy Stanley.